Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lummel, Big Kahuna Trading Club. We got a lower price stock that has an excellent trading pattern coming off the floor here. We have a long-term cycle in play here, a TY-2 cycle that formed right in this area right here. Basically broke out, came back, retested in that $5 area. So we got a pretty solid retest of that $5 PPP before it broke out. So let's break down the cycles on this. One had a 0.9 BMI coming off the floor, about a 3 to 350 floor right there, retest about 350, and then you get a breakout across the $5 PPP setting the TM3 cycle, and then basically a double bottom retest of the end of that $5 PPP zone. So right now we're at the PBC zone coming out of the TY-2 cycle. We have a TD3 cycle. It's a 10 to 13 day cycle on the pullback. And long-term picture at this, look at the IPO high was around 13 bucks or so. And certainly acting like it wants to gun that pretty soon, especially coming out of a primary cycle like that. So look at these price squeeze a little bit closer. You got the first cycle, TD6 cycle, and then the next cycle low was a TM2. TM2 was inside that spike right there, that fractal set there. And so pull back inside of there. We still don't have a price squeeze at the TM2 cycle lows. So where you get that is on the retest of TM2 and then a breakout to TM3. You got a price squeeze here. TM2 pullback lows higher than the first, actually this is a second retest of the TM2 cycle lows, held above that. So price squeeze there. You got the TM3 cycle, basically a double bottom with a higher low on the second wave down off the TD6. You got the price squeeze there. $5 PPP came out of that, probably about a 20-day high or so there. And so we're basically in the PBC zone right now, and it's acting really well so far here. So I'm not sure you're going to get much of a deep pullback from here. You might have to just buy above here. Be checking the news, make sure we don't have some catalyst that might make it gap through that. But overall, it's a very solid base pattern. Let me just run the cycle lines off below. It looks to be about a TM3 plus, actually a TM4 cycle. TM4 is inside that, so it's a TM4 cycle, a 10 to 13 month cycle. And let's look at we already got outside of the north channel of that TM4 north channel here, and then we're going to have an extension channel. It's going to be up here. So let's run that up here. That's around 850 or so. And then we're going to have TM2X probably somewhere up in this $11 to $12 area. I'd expect to hit that at least, maybe rest before it attacks that big long-term high. But it's acting pretty darn good. So as far as the stock rating on it, it's going to be a B-89 rating on it. Risk profile is a C+. It's a really good pattern. If this was at a new high and in a better price range, I'd be definitely bumping it up to B. And just a really good chart overall. It's coming out of a TY-2 cycle also. And the current market rating is A+. So it's got some wind at its back. Looking pretty good. That's GRAB, Grab Holdings Limited. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.